Hey everyone, it's Ryan from Educational Networks, and I'm excited to share about our new communication suite. Let's take a look and see how we can use it to send voice calls. First step, we want to take our mouse and we want to bring it just over towards the main menu button in the lower left corner of the screen. From here, we're going to go right up to messaging and open up Communication Suite. Now in this case, I'm going to start by selecting Compose Voice Message. Now let's say that, of course, the end of the school year is approaching and we want to send out information about the 8th grade promotion ceremony. Now, to do so, we have a few different options. The one we're going to look at specifically today is the text-to-speech option. I've already typed something out that we'll go in and paste this in, and from that, we'll be able to generate audio. Well, we also have the option to upload an audio file we've already recorded. We can even record audio from the Communication Suite system itself. Now I'm going to start just by going in. I'm going to copy the message over. Looking at the message, it looks pretty good. But you know what? I think it can look even better. Here's something neat. We have an AI assistant to help. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is use the AI assistant to go in and to polish this for us. So I'm going to open up where it says help me write, select polish. It's going to generate a suggestion for us. Perfect. Now, looking over the polish version, I would say that it looks better. So what I'm going to do is select replace. Now, keep in mind, we also have options. If we want to send out a message in a different language, we can. We have a translate option. But in this case, we're going to start by sending the message out as is. My next step is I want to go in and select where it says generate audio. Now, this will take a few moments.
Congratulations to our 8th grade students.
Cool, and it's going in and it's
As we
playing out
approach
here,
the
so we
final
can
weeks
go
of
in
middle
and
school,
test this
we
out,
recognize this is an
and we
exciting
can go in and
milestone
make
for our
sure that
students
everything's
and their
working.
families. With the upcoming
In this case, though, I'm going to go ahead and pause that. Let's go ahead and send this out. Now, we have another option here. It's never a bad thing to go ahead and to have a backup. So what we also have the option of doing is sending out an SMS message. So basically a text message. Now, we have to make the message shorter because in this case, we do have a limit of 160 characters. You're going to type something simple out, just kind of summarize the information. We'll say, as a reminder, our promotion ceremony takes place on June 4th at 10 a.m. Graduates should arrive at 9:15. Now we have to keep this shorter, of course, so I'm just going to keep this nice and simple. So we'll say formal attire required. So that basically sums up our entire message. After this, we're ready to send this out to our recipients. So in this case, it's really just necessary for 8th grade parents. I go in, check this box. Now, at this point, we have some different options. One is that we can send now, but we could also schedule this. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and say we want to send this out right now. And once you know it, it's already going in and calling me here.